Hey everybody, welcome back. So in yesterday's video, I asked you that whether it is possible to have an absolute negative energy, right? So the answer is dicey, and the answer is yes also and no also. Let me give you all the uh, uh, statements to support both of these arguments. So in theoretical physics, it is possible, and practically it is not possible. So in short, you have to know that negative energy is not possible. Correct? According to Einstein equation of E is equal to mc square, mass can never be negative, so energy can never be negative, but theoretically it is possible. What is the meaning of negative energy? First, let me tell you. So negative energy means that if an object has an energy which is lesser than the empty space or vacuum, right? So you might be, you might have this thought that vacuum has no energy, but it is not the case. Vacuum has some energy. It has gravitational fields, it has electromagnetic waves, it has also some virtual particles, right? This is again a theoretical concept which is there. You can read the papers about it. And if an object has a energy which is lesser than the empty space, then only it can have a negative energy, right? So how this thing came out was that in 1935, when Einstein was working with his student Nathan Rosen, they were working on black holes, and they saw that mathematically it is possible to connect two black holes with a tunnel, and they called it a wormhole. You might have heard this term also. And it would take very less time or almost zero time to travel through that wormhole, so you can travel galaxies and maybe another universe, I don't know, with a very less time, right? So this can happen only if that wormhole was stable, and for that to happen, the energy of the object had to be negative, right? So there was this concept which was floating around, which is called negative mass. uh, there is a paper of NASA, I think, that's called Negative Energy in Contemporary Physics, uh, some physical significance to propulsion, something like that. So they have talked about negative mass and negative energy in that paper, but again, it is a theoretical concept. It is not practically possible. Nobody has achieved it. So in short, you have to understand that negative energy is not possible. But why I'm telling you that, because you see, in it is out of the IIT concept, IIT syllabus. But JEE Advanced, they have this tendency to give some hypothetical structure, and they give you the paragraph, they give you the theory, and then they'll ask you to solve the question. So don't get baffled when you get something like negative energy or negative mass, because theoretically it is possible. They can give you a comprehension on that. They'll give you all the information, all the theory. You have to understand it and solve the question. So don't get baffled with anything like that, right? So this was it. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day. Please subscribe to our channel. In next video, I'll be talking about elastic potential energy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.